Hey, what's up, y'all? We're gonna be doing a repair on this. Not really any storm damage, but we just didn't want to have to take the tarps up. This was just a shingle that the previous roofer had put nails in for a tarp. Not really sure why they put so many nails up here, but we're just gonna be repairing this shingle for our repair test. It's super hot outside today, so these shingles are pretty much just unsealing themselves pretty easily. So I mean, that's good. Let's see here. Yeah, again, these things are just kind of unsealing themselves. Let me use this tool. I don't want them to say anything. And let me just peel it up. You see, it just glides through. Right, you can see the tar on it. Not that that means anything, but you know, they were unsealed. They were sealed. Golly. Jeez. All right. If there's any time for a repair to go smoothly, it's now. With this heat, I mean, these things are way more pliable than usual, or like in the winter time. So we just kind of wanted to document this to see what we could come up with, because it might pass.
Yeah, that's why I'm not sitting down, buddy. I would be on fire.
Golly. Knee pads. Bro, oh my goodness.
So we need gloves.
Bro, it's not even like my hand, bro. It's my knees.
Yeah, it hurts more on the knees, I'll tell you that.
Because it's all your weights on it,
Yep.
you know? Alright, so this should come out pretty smoothly. Ooh.
That tar's hot.
Alright. Alright, we're just gonna slide that. So we're gonna slide this up into this oh my goodness, dude. That's me going. There we go.
There it is.
Ooh.
Jesus.
Now we're gonna kind of just go through the motions. Now this is the closest color that we could find. As you can see, it's not really that much of a reasonable appearance. If y'all like, well, what we'll probably do is we'll leave that shingle here for y'all so y'all can come collect it and do an RLS report so we can see about what shingle this is. Maybe y'all can find a better match than we did. But as of right now, it's definitely not a reasonable appearance.
way in the back.
They are? This is one of the busier roads in Austin.
Yep. This plus Bemis.
Jerry Jones.
You see that?
Is there a famous
Look
Jerry?
at him. The dude had his hand out the window and threw a peace sign out at me.
Is there a Jerry Jones from down Austin?
You talking about like an actual person?
Yeah.
Yeah, there is.
Who is he?
Probably an older fella.
I know Jerry Jones who owns the Cowboys.
Nah, that's probably an older fella. It's just like,
They were making a street for him out there.
it's just like Buffalo Wild Wings and also they used to have an owner named John Jones, and there's a fighter named John Jones, MMA fighter.
John Bones Jones. The GOAT.
Over here getting sidetracked, waving at people.
It's
He
not-
doesn't even fight no more, bro. What are you talking about?
Okay, he's still a GOAT. You don't think so?
Not even Habib. Habib not a GOAT either. Even though.
John Jones is not the GOAT.
Oh, well,
Bro, who's Batman?
back then, yes, because he did fight. He did fight a lot. I'll give him that, yes, but
You don't know what you're talking about. Alright. Cool. So back to this. Not really much. I mean, we got a little bit of creasing right here. A little bit right here. Right from these. These got unsealed. Nothing on that one. We got a little bit right there, a little bit right there. What's that so I can show 'em? So if y'all can see it right there and right there. But other than that, just a reasonable appearance. That's really the only other thing. Yeah, you can see the crease and the crease. But yeah, I hope y'all see that we use care, proper techniques and tools to complete this repair. It's just hard to do with, and it's very hot, it's pliable. So thanks y'all for watching. Can't wait to hear back from you.